eating, never said my grace. I just wish I was eating in a better place. Foster parents gave me canned meat instead of steak. That's why when people ask me to be patient, I will never wait. Last supper back when I was barely fed a plate. Milk be in the fridge for 3 months, I tell them check the date. Money on the first, sneakers still second rate. My mama's fucking broke, so how we supposed to catch a break? Last supper, no disciples eating bread and wine. Same day, cooking ramen noodles for the second time. Free lunch across the street and I am next in line. The heart inside this ghetto boy will stand the test of time. Last supper, no religion to infest your mind. That's the type of guilt that forced death to just confess his crime. I'm not the type of nigga that'll criticize. I just be on a higher path of staying civilized. Last supper, see the suffering I epitomize. If you was going through some pain, how would you feel inside? Last meal before I had to do my time. My mama sitting there like she was doing fine. My daughter, bless her soul, all she could do was cry. Put my fork down upon my plate, it's time to do or die. And now it's back to ramen, Jack, Mac, and tuna. Smoked clams, chili packs, time to warm the soup up. How could I say my grace before I eat this meal? Gotta watch my back before it's punctured with a piece of steel. Young Rand barely ate but was a fat fucker. Clean your fork, fix your plate, this the last supper. Last supper. Last supper. My people, this the last supper. Last supper.